Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to make this cute summer hat. It's very easy and for this I use this yarn. Um, it's a soft paper yarn, a kind of. You cannot find this one, it's not important. You can use a paper yarn, any category for yarn, maybe cotton or acrylic or raffia yarn. Just make it a category for yarn, okay? And I use a little bit more than 100 grams, 105 or 10 grams maybe. It's not even 10 grams. And I used 4.5 millimeter with it. Beginners can make it, and it takes so less time. I made it 1.5 hour, I think. You can make it in 2 hours maybe. If you are a beginner, 3 hours. And just make it and wear it. And hope you like this one too. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, you can find the link below. It's totally free, and if you are ready, we can start now. Start with a slip knot and make 4 chains. Insert from this first chain, make a slip stitch. Chain 3 as a double crochet and chain 1 more as 1 chain space. Yarn over, insert into the ring, grab the yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, chain 1 into the same place, make a double, chain 1, make 1 more double. We are gonna repeat this 10 times totally. 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, and 10. Chain 1. Now from this third chain I'm gonna join with a slip stitch, and I'm gonna put this tail on the top of my hook. I'm gonna keep hiding it. Now make a slip stitch into the space. Chain 3 as a double crochet, make 1 more here. Into this next space, make 2 double crochets. Into this next space, make 2 double crochets. And you are going to put 2 double crochets into all the spaces. I complete this row. Join with the slip stitch from this third chain. Okay, and you will make 2 more slip stitches. You see, we made these 2 double crochets into this space and 2 double crochet into the next. Between these 2, we are gonna make 3 double crochets this time. That's the first one, second, and third. Skip 2, make 3 double crochets. skip 2, 3 double crochets, and repeat this till the end. I complete the row, join from this third chain, make 2 more slip stitches, sorry, 3 more. I'm gonna make 1 more. You see this 3, we skipped all of it, and that's the next 3. Between these 2 we are gonna make 2 double crochets. We will make increase here. Actually, we kind of repeat this row. 2 double crochets, skip 1 stitch, into this middle stitch, put 2 double crochets. Skip 1 into the space, put 1, 2 double crochets, skip 1 and into the stitch, put 2 double crochets. Skip 1, 2 double crochets. Time to time, fix it with your hands, okay? That's hand ironing. I'm calling it hand ironing. Skip 1, make 2 double crochets. I repeat this till the end. I complete the row, join with a slip stitch, make 2 more slip stitches, you see these 2 double crochets and these 2 double crochets, between them I'm gonna put 3 double crochets. Skip 2, make 3 double crochets. Skip 2, 3 double crochets. And repeat this till the end of the row. Now I have 23 double crochet sets right now. It's 15 centimeters, 6 inch long. Now I'm gonna skip 1, 2, 3 slip stitches, totally 4 slip stitch. I skipped these 3 double crochets. Starting from here, I will not make any increases. I will just put 3 double crochets, 3 double crochets, and 3 again, I'm gonna keep repeating this as long as it fits to my head perfectly. I'm gonna give you the measurements, okay? Just wait a second. When you reach here, join with a slip stitch, make 3 more slip stitch and start from here. In between these 3 and 3 double crochets, make it a little bit longer. Okay, now I made it bigger. I totally made 13 rows and it's 17 centimeters, more than 6.5 inches, almost 7 inches long. Now we will make increases. I joined and chain 3. That's a double crochet. Insert into the next stitch, make a double. Next stitch, make a double. And into this space I'm gonna put 2 doubles. Into the stitch I'm gonna put 1 double in a row, okay? Totally 3 doubles in a row totally. Don't miss this stitch here. 1, 2, 3, and here we are gonna make 2 doubles. If you want to make this part wider, you can put 3 here. One, 2, 3, and 2. Repeat this, meet you at the end. I'm at the end. Don't forget to put 2 double crochets into this space. And join. Chain 3 is a double crochet. Now we are gonna make increase in every 5th stitch. Make 4 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then put 2 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4. Into the 5th, put 2 double crochets. Repeat this till the end. Now that's the 5th stitch. I'm gonna put 2 here. Join with a slip stitch. Chain 3. We are gonna make increase again, but this time we are gonna make 5 double crochets and increase into the 6th stitch, but I'm not gonna start with 5 double crochets because I don't want to put all the increases on the top of each other. Okay, if I make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, our increase will be here and it will show itself. So I'm gonna make 1, 2. Into the 3rd stitch I'm gonna put an increase. Now make 5 double crochets. And increase. 5 double crochets and increase. Repeat this till the end. I'll meet you there. I made the last increase. Now I have 3 more stitches left. Turn with a slip stitch, chain 3, and this time we are gonna put only 1 double crochet into each stitch without any increases. I completed. Now we are gonna close here. Just cut the yarn, loose the loop. You see these chains. insert from this first stitch, not in the chain, from this first stitch. Insert inside this last loop. Then hide the tail. And that's all. Hope you liked this tutorial. If you like, please thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Sirin's Crochet is my Instagram address. It's also my Etsy website, Ravelry, Pinterest. You can find me anywhere you want. That's it for today. Hope to see you again. Have a nice day. Bye.